I'm driving already.
That's about the best looking Confederate soldier I've ever seen.
Yeah, that's right. Keith. Get her done. Here we go. Hey, drop this door. You want a glass bottle?
You with Stonewall's division? You with Stonewall's division?
By God, George. Actually with Choose Battery. Choose Battery. 12th Virginia Cavalry. Right out of Evelyn, Virginia. Tom Massey is our commander. Colonel Thomas Massey. Now, we're doing it in honor of my great-great-uncle, James Knox Weekly. He was displaced off of during the Weekly Fire Trail up there at Old Rag Mountain. My family was living up there until they decided to make a national park out of it. That's twice they displaced my family.
Oh, Lord. Yeah.
But there'll be another day.
You stole a bit boss from a Union soldier, I see.
Oh, yeah.
I got the horse.
Actually, all of my equipment, with the exception of my jacket and pants, is actually
U.S. Army.
Yankee.
Oh, yeah.
Because I was a sergeant in the United States Army. When the war broke out, just like Lee, I came to protect Virginia.
Right. Can't raise your sword against your state.
First, not your country. They forgot that.
That's right.